Anthony Davis praised by Lakers fans for gutting through ankle injury in T-Wolves win. Did this topic interest you? Let's go to the news. Anthony Davis posted 38 points on 15 of 26 shooting and 17 rebounds to lead the Los Angeles Lakers to a 123-111 comeback victory over the host Minnesota Timberwolves. AD in the Lakers' W, 38.17 rebounds, 2 blocks dominant. Davis turned his ankle midway through the third quarter and went down hard after getting a defensive rebound. It initially appeared as though Davis suffered a potentially severe ailment that would knock him out for the rest of the game and perhaps longer. However, AD eventually got up and even stayed in the game with his team down 76-70. The Lakers, who were down by as many as 13 in the third quarter, kept chipping away at the lead and even took a 7-point lead into the fourth. In order not to miss the latest Lakers news firsthand, it is very important that you leave your like so that YouTube continues to share these news with you. Back to the video, that's when Davis took over, scoring 17 points to put the Timberwolves away. He was unstoppable in the paint, and the Minnesota Bigs had no answer for him. Davis did all this despite being clearly bothered by the ankle. Absolutely dominant. Y'all can't say nothing about 3. That dude came out, showed toughness. At gloating praises Anthony Davis's resiliency after he rolled his ankle. At Lakers reporter head coach Darvin Ham did too. The Lakers are in a rock fight to make the postseason with 7 teams from 5th to 11th place separated by just 3 losses. LA is right in the middle of that at 39-38 and tied for 7th now after the big win against a Timberwolves team it is fighting for a spot. Minnesota dropped to 39-39 and 9th in the West. Ultimately, Twitter was quite impressed with Davis's incredible effort and ability to gut through the pain. As far as his ankle goes, Davis should be okay going forward, and he also told reporters he's good for the team's next game. That's great news for the Lakers with Davis on fire right now. Davis has at least 1 full day of rest now with the Lakers visiting the Houston Rockets on Sunday evening. It was a clutch performance when the team needed him the most, and teammate D'Angelo Russell gave him credit post-game. Leave your opinion in the comments because your opinion is very important to NBA icons. Subscribe to the channel because I will update you with more news from this information anytime. A big hug.